Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making pickled dish found in Afghanistan called Turshi. The name literally means sour and it is a mixture of many different vegetables in one pickled dish served with a meal. Let's get it started. The amounts of each vegetable is really up to your taste, but I use 2 liters white vinegar, 1 bunch coriander, 4 turnips, as many serrano pepper as you like, 3 cups ivy gourd or tendora, 2 pound baby eggplant, 2 pounds baby carrots, 2 pounds cauliflower, as much garlics and chili pepper as you like, 2 tablespoons each black peppercorn and coriander seed, 4 tablespoons salt. You will need to steam the vegetable in a pot like this. I filled it a little less than half with water and set to high cover. Cut the ends of turnips, then cut in half, then cut into 1-inch thick slice. Then remove the stems of the eggplants and slice them from the base up to the stem to form a cross. Now that the pot is steaming, add in the cauliflower, partially cover for 5 minutes. Slice the ivy gourd in half lengthwise, then check back on your cauliflower and remove from the steamer into a plate. Then place in your turnips and repeat. Then repeat with the carrots as well. Cut off the stem of the serrano peppers, then poke with your knife to let the vinegar soak into it. Remove the carrots from the steamer and add in the eggplants. Chop the garlic in 3. Remove the eggplants from the steamer. Then take your chopped garlic and mix it with your salt. Then stuff the garlic into the baby eggplants and you are ready to assemble in your pickle dish. Start stacking all of your vegetables however you prefer, sprinkling in your spice and herb as you go, then top it off with 2 liters of vinegar. Place the lid on the top and cover it plastic wrap. Once it is sealed, you can keep it out of your fridge for 2 months until it is ready to eat. When you open it up to eat, remember not to use your hand and to use clean utensils when you're removing your pickles from the dish. Make sure to watch next week's video to see how my turshi comes out and to see a great dish to pair it with.